all objects are energy particles. It can be dismantled and assembled again. By the same energy. All the objects are made out of energy. So energy can be dismantled, moved, assembled anywhere, as the whole base remains as energy. What is its benefit to humanity? See, when somebody receives some teleported material in their hand or in their body, or sits in the presence of a place where the receiving is happening, the whole space vibrates in the highest frequency. By whom teleportation happens? The other day the scientists were explaining to me, A is a teleporter, B is a teleported object, C is the place where it is teleported. B and C vibrates the same frequency of A, only then the B disappears in B place and appears in C place. So when there is a teleportation happening in your hand or in your presence, your very body and mind raises to the highest frequency. That is the benefit to humanity. And that object itself is not a big thing. The object teleported itself does not matter much. It is just little vibhuti or kumkum or all that. But the vibration of teleportation is something extraordinary. Please understand. Dismantling and assembling can happen only in Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha means where the creation has happened. The cosmic mother's womb, Jagat Janani, Meenakshi. When I am doing the dismantling and assembling, teleporting or materializing, this whole area becomes the Hiranyagarbha, the intense presence of Jagat Janani, mother of the universe, divine feminine consciousness. So when you sit inside, mind also goes through a great transformation, amazing transformation. All you need to do is pick up these ideas and even just put, you don't even need to put much effort, just decide you will start living, that's it, nothing else. See, when you are in somebody's presence who is melting diamonds, can't he melt the little bit of mud in your brain? He can. His words becomes a strong self-interest of your system. Understand? Whatever I am uttering, it becomes your own interest. Only your belief, no, it is not. I should have my own interest. That is what is the only impediment. Take it up, decide for what I am saying. Immediately you will express whatever I am saying, that you are independent, intelligent, enlightened, Swayam Prakasa, self-illuminating. You will experience it. And not only that, all the positive things of those experiences will start expressing in your life. Just all you need to do is make a decision to vote for what I am saying, nothing else. It becomes, you will suddenly discover, this is your self-interest, your muscle memory. This is your very innermost intelligence. You are fighting with it for such a long time, foolishly. Just if you sit in the presence of a master space where the teleportation, materialization, like this high intense activities are going on, your brain will pick up many extraordinary capacities. The non-mechanical parts of your brain will be awakened. The energy field where this kind of materials getting dismantled, moved, appeared, all these things happens. When you go and sit there, the information teleportation also happens to you. Please understand. More than a money teleportation or the object teleportation, when I say money, I am not meaning currency, I am saying some object. Money valued object. The information teleportation also a great process. When you are in my presence and I am doing teleporting and all this materialization and everything, you may not receive the solid object like Vibhuti, Kumkum, Rudraksha in your hand, but you will receive the information which I am releasing related to enlightenment, successful life, health. See, your body is just nothing but a computer. It can be just programmed. See how I programmed my body. No pain and no pain. It can be programmed the same way, even your bodies. Just software, nothing else. Even this teleportation, how I do? Just a programming only. All right, let it happen. You see, it's like I heat you up in my presence, then program it. That's all. Heating up is connecting electricity. And typing the words and developing a program is whatever I am uttering. Whatever words I am uttering is just like programming. When I say that let there be kumkum happening everywhere, it happens. That's all. It's a programming. When the heat is felt, the programming happens. And there are 101 great truths which I don't express verbally, gets teleported into all your systems. Understand? Teleportation of the information happens in you, even if the Vibhuti and Kumkum does not happen in your hand. That is the benefit. That is the benefit of materialization and teleportation for humanity.